Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we've got something special for all you gamers and tech enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about the best blue light blocking glasses for gaming that you can find on the market right now. These are the ANYLUV blue light blocking glasses, and they're here to revolutionize the way you game and work on your computer. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why blue light blocking glasses are so important, especially for gamers and computer users. Blue light emitted by electronic devices, like computers and smartphones, can lead to eye strain, fatigue, and even long-term vision problems. That's where these ANYLUV blue light blocking glasses come in. They're designed to filter out harmful blue light while preserving the quality of your screen. Now, let's take a closer look at the features that make these glasses stand out from the crowd. The first feature that sets ANYLUV apart is their impressive blue block rate of 45%. These glasses provide a high level of protection by filtering out most harmful high-energy blue light rays, while allowing the less harmful portion of the blue light spectrum to pass through. Unlike some other blue light glasses on the market with heavily tinted lenses, ANYLUV glasses use low-color distortion lenses. These lenses strike the perfect balance between eye protection and viewing quality, ensuring you can see your screen clearly while staying protected. Extended exposure to blue light can lead to fatigue and stress. With ANYLUV glasses, you can focus on your game or work without worrying about these issues. They allow you to stay productive and perform at your best. These glasses are not just for gamers but for anyone who spends long hours in front of screens. Protect your eyes from the high-energy blue light emitted by electronic devices and reduce the risk of vision conditions, from dry eyes to macular degeneration. And here's a bonus. ANYLUV really cares about its customers. Each pair of these blue light glasses comes in an exquisite triangular folding box, making it a great gift for your family and friends. Plus, you can count on their after-sale brand service. So, you might be wondering, how much will these amazing glasses set you back? Well, you're in luck. The typical price for the ANYLUV blue light blocking glasses is $23.99, but we've got a deal of the day for you. You can get them for just $19.19, saving you $4.80, which is a 20% discount. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best blue light blocking glasses for gaming and computer use, the ANYLUV blue light blocking glasses should be at the top of your list. With their impressive features, stylish design, and affordable price, they're a game changer for anyone who values their eye health and performance. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with blue light blocking glasses, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.